Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. Yeah, today I want to do a breakdown for you guys on Marvelous God. I know the music is very popular. Most of you will know the song by Chinegodoma, Marvelous God. So I'm going to show you what I was playing at the beginning. Very simple. I'll be playing on F sharp. So I'll also be calling the notes. So for those of you that is not familiar on F sharp, you can apply it to your own key. So just watch and learn. So what I was doing first is I solo the song. That is Marvelous God, thou alone art worthy to be praised. You are a miracle in my life today. Right? You know this. So I've done the beats already. Use my beats. I'm the one that created the beat. So this is the beats, and I also do the instrumental. I do the intro. So if you want the instrumental and the beats, you can contact me. Beats is now available, but it's not for free though. Beats is now available. Any beats you want me to do, I'll do it for you. So you contact me on WhatsApp. I'll drop my number on this video. So at the beginning I was playing do 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 so mi re do ta la 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 ti do so la ti 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 la so fa mi so. That's what I was playing. That is do 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 so mi re do ta la 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 ti do so la ti 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 la so fa mi so. I know you have gotten this one now. Do 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 so mi re do ta la 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 ti do so la ti 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 la so fa mi so. That you do it 2 times. Do 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 so mi re do ta la 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 ti do so la ti 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 la so fa mi so. Then there is a solo line I did on the song. I click on my octave higher. So I started playing. So let me put the beats so you understand better. Then I will show you the breakdown. Did a solo just like this. Now we kick up. What I was playing there is so mi re do ti la la ta so la fa mi re so la ta so la fa mi re. You understand? So mi re do ti la ta so la fa mi re. That's what I was playing there. Then after so mi re do ti la ta so la fa mi re. Then next time do re ti la so fa re mi so fi so. I'm just adding some minor notes with my major. That's what I was doing. So mi re do ti la ta so la fa mi re. Do re ti la so fa re mi so fi so. Then so mi re do ti la ta la so fa mi re. You understand? This song just go like this. This song just go like this. So it go. understand? That is so mi re do ti la la so. Just bounce on this your la and your ta. You bounce on it. La so fa mi re do. You understand? La so fa mi re do. Fa re mi do re ti do. La so fa mi ba so. Do so. Mi re do sa la ti do. So la ti la so fa mi. So this is very simple. You just have to look and understand what I'm playing. You will get it. Once you realize it very well, you get it. So I started this with my normal octave. That is do so. Mi re do ta la ti do. So la ti la so fa mi so. Do so. Mi re do ta la ti do. So la ti la so fa mi. So then octave. So mi re do ti la ta so la fa mi re. Do re ti la so fa re mi so fi so. So mi re do ti la so fa mi re. Fa re mi do re ti do la so fa mi ba so. Do so. Mi re do ti la ti do. So la ti la so fa mi so. Very simple, very simple. If you don't understand any of the solo line, you can comment below and tell me the parts you are mixing. So just tell me the parts you are missing there, so I will explain to you better. So this is it. Just go like this. This is my intro. Then you go to side A. The beat and the instrumental, just message me on WhatsApp, then we'll discuss how you can get the beat and the instrumental. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like the video, make sure you click on the like button and also subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and also comment below. If you want me to be dropping all this kind of video, comment below. If you also want me to be dropping all this kind of video, comment below and tell me the song you want me to do a breakdown on. Just tell me the song. I might do it. I might be the lucky person and I might do the one you requested. So just comment and let me know what you want. So thanks and God bless you all. And please, if you need personal tutorial, you can chat me on WhatsApp. I do a personal tutorial now. If you don't understand some of the teaching I do on YouTube, you can send me a message on WhatsApp and we'll start a personal tutorial so you understand better. Thanks and God bless you all.